So the question you may have is, should I invest into stocks or should I invest into crypto? Let's break it down and see what's best for you. Hey guys, I am Mr. Maciek, and on this channel I talk all about making money, whether it's investing into stocks, cryptocurrency, mining cryptocurrency, or real estate, my bread and butter. I'm going to teach you everything I know about making money. So the first thing I want to talk about between stocks and crypto is the risk. You have to ask yourself, what is your risk tolerance? If you are a high risk, high reward, high loss type of person, then crypto is the answer for you. If you want to be cruising slowly up your whole life, then stocks are a really good option. Because if you look at the history of the stock market, which is very, very long, decades and decades, you can see that it goes up and it goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. And the rate at which it goes up is a lot faster than the rate at which it goes down, which means that over your lifespan, then you are going to theoretically make money on the market. Guys, help out the YouTube algorithm. Click the like button because other people want to know this info too. The other thing that's really nice about the stock market is that you can go high risk or low risk. You can buy some ETFs, you can buy some stocks, you can buy some blue chip stocks, you can buy dividend paying stocks which don't move much up and down, but at least they pay you a little bit every single year in the form of dividend. Or you can go with the high risk stuff like technology. For example, Tesla, obviously, and NIO, the equivalent of Tesla for the Chinese market. Those are high risk stocks. Although in my opinion, I don't think Tesla is a very high risk. I think it's a great investment, especially if you have more than 5-10 years in your investment before you retire. And YouTube analytics tells me that the people that are watching are males between the ages of, I think, 25 and 35. And then my next segment is like 35 to 45. So pretty much I am talking to people that still have decades left in your investment portfolio growth. So what about cryptocurrency? Well, the problem with cryptocurrency is that we don't know. I mean, not that we know with stocks, but at least we can use some predictive analytics with stocks based on the history of stocks. But with crypto, the thing is 10 years old or 11 or whatever. I mean, the thing is young. It's basically a baby. We are in the infancy stage of a new investment instrument. And this is a paper investment instrument. By theory, I guess it's electronic, not really paper. But anyway, it's not physical assets, it's electronic assets, only given value by the value of the demand and supply. So should you invest into stocks or into crypto? I mean, that's the question you had. And really the answer is yes. You should. You should invest, whether it's this or whether it's this. It has to do with your risk tolerance. So if you're a high risk player and you want high rewards, but you'll also be okay with losing a lot or losing all of it.
And remember, you don't lose until you sell at a loss.
That's called a realized loss, according to the IRS. If you don't sell, you have unrealized losses, and unrealized losses cannot be used in your tax returns until you realize those losses, meaning you sell at a loss.
Wait. I am not giving you investment advice or tax advice or any strategy when it comes to making money from a legal perspective. I'm just some YouTuber that invests into stocks and into crypto.
I also mine crypto. Hey, do you find this valuable so far? Then please subscribe below. And really, this is the biggest point that I have to make in this video. When you are making an investment strategy, take your budget. Make sure to start with an allocation of a certain percentage of your earnings and automatically funnel them, whether it's into the stock market or whether it's into the crypto market. You see, the thing is, discipline is the hardest thing when it comes to investing. For most people, they are not disciplined enough to withdraw money and deposit it into their TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab account, or maybe Robinhood or some sort of central exchange for your cryptocurrencies. So if you're brand new to the game, just get started. Take 1% of your earnings every time you get paid and funnel it into this or into this. That's all you have to do. And if 1% is easy, make it 2, make it 5. Once you do 5 for a little bit, turn up the gear and make it go to 10%. And then how far can you get? I know a lot of people that strive to contribute up to 50% of their earnings that they get into some sort of investment instrument. The short story is this: if you're a high risk, high reward, high loss type of person, start with a little crypto. If you're just someone who wants to steadily, slowly go up, not to have this hockey stick effect of going crazy, then go with the stocks. But really, what do? I do both. because if I only do 1% of my income, then I can do 0.5% here, 0.5% here. If I'm up to 10%, I'll do 5% and 5%, or switch it up to whatever is good for you. You see, at the end of the day, it's all about risk tolerance and about taking an action step in order to invest. Now all you have to do is click this video right here because it's got more info that you're gonna want.